This month on Real Pilates, we're going to rediscover the head. Most of our sensory organs are located in the head, and sometimes we don't think about it and we kind of take them for granted. So, we're going to dive into all of the interesting things that make up our head. Did you know that your eyes can see over 10 million colors? Have you heard about that blue light coming from tablets and computers? Do you know exactly what it is? Do you know if it's bad for your eyes or not? We're going to discuss all of those things. Your ears have tiny little ear hairs and ear cells that are critical for good hearing. There are little trips and tips that we can do to increase your hearing and maintain your hearing. Your balance, your center of gravity, you may have heard about that. But did you know that the sixth sense of your body is attached to that balance? It's the proprioceptive system attached to the vestibular system. What the heck you're thinking? Don't worry, don't worry. I'm going to break it down for you and I'm going to show you little tricks to do to keep those systems strong. Because if you brush your hair or sit in a chair, you're using that sixth sense all day. So let's keep that nice and sharp. Can it be, have you heard, that a lot of brain diseases, some cancers, even ulcers can be caused by poor oral hygiene? Yes. So we're going to find out things to do to keep your oral hygiene tip top, to keep your eyes sparkly and strong, and to keep you happy and healthy. This is Pilates Master Nikki, and I'll see you in class.